And a particular person doing well above and beyond what perhaps most of you even think possible. So we start off with the British Schools Gymnastics. Miss Braunton went up last Wednesday, drove up to Liverpool, and there was a showcase the day before to get them all inspired. The British Gymnastics finals up in Liverpool, the Echo Arena. So they went to that on the Thursday, and then Friday it was all about competing. So there's Daisy, Hannah and Lulu. We're all competing on that day on Friday. So they came 15th nationally, which is incredible really. As you get older, you do start to specialise. And Jersey, who was a sort of integral part of the team for the previous years and years and years, stepped aside to let Daisy have a go, and Jersey focusing on her judo. So that's a brilliant sort of starter, bit of a taster for the future. So next year they'll be in their age group and be able to compete at under 13s year 8s. So hopefully they'll go higher than 15th. What do you think, Miss Braunton? Definitely will. But they were 5th overall as part of the South West team, so an amazing performance. So can we just have a little round of applause for Lulu and Hannah? So there they are, British Championships, all looking very smart in their leotards over there. There was a bit of a rush, a frenzy. There was a buying of new leotards, wasn't there, Miss? At the Championships, always exciting. And there they are, finishing. We also had the British Judo Championships going on, 2019. Sheffield, wasn't it, sir? The English Institute of Sport. It's an amazing place. You've got Sheffield Ice Rink, where they then cover it with the mats. Next door is where they do motocross, indoor motocross, which is quite an amazing place. And then the actual Institute of Sport, where you might go across and see, gymnasts, etc., competing hopefully for their country in the future. So there we go. Jersey specialising now in her judo, and that's why. She's gone to the British Championships and she's won a bronze there. Gareth came 9th, so he was year 12 competing against year 13. So again, hopefully next year he can go even higher. But that was an incredibly tough group, and 9th is an amazing result for Gareth. Tristan, so within the club, he got 1st, and Finton got 3rd. So as a club and as a school, an incredible result. And Mr. Ward, like Miss Braunton, you two have done amazing things with that to get them all to that level. There she is, Jersey, with her bronze medal. What weight is it now, Jersey, that you're competing at, wherever you are? Oh, what weight are you competing at? 44? Okay, so 44 kilos and under those girls. Okay, there's the team. Yeah, go Gareth. Proud as punch. And then there was also handball going on. So these guys were all competing. It was a semi-final of I think the southern area finals. No, was it the southwest finals, Alice?
No, it was national.
National, but the southern part of it, wasn't it?
No.
No? The full nationals?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Brilliant. So, they lost 17-19. Were you up just until...
It was actually 18-19, sir.
18-19, okay. Fake news, here it is. Okay, so you only lost by a goal in the finals, which is an incredible achievement. There they are. For Blacks, that's on a Tuesday night if you want to go and train. Be part of that. Sharif's looking big, isn't he? So, North Devon Schools Gymnastics. So, the poor gymnasts drove all the way up to Liverpool and Stoke, and then they had to come all the way back down again to compete on the weekend. This was at Falcons, wasn't it, Miss? So they had North Devon Schools Gymnastics. Lulu and Hannah competing there. Lulu won the individual gold and the musical interpretation award. Brilliant. And then Anna won the Charlotte Shaw Trophy for poise, elegance and grace. I know she does a lot of dancing outside, doesn't Hannah? So that's obviously showing there. So 2 big competitions for those girls. But I think we'll go on better and Mo, but they are all their trophies wonderful. Slight height difference there, Lulu. That means you can rotate faster, doesn't it, Lulu? Alright. So, not 1 event, not 2 events. She went for 3 events. Lulu Goman decided to go off to Glidden and Squires, West Buckland. It's actually sunshine for once up there. I'm sure it was bitterly cold as always. And there's the overall rankings. So as an under 13, remember Lulu's year 7, she came 2nd on the day. So after doing all that competing, she still managed to pull out 2nd and a 3rd place overall. And other people running, Isla, what else? Got 14th, Jasmine, 11th, Zach, 6th, and Victor. They were really moaning about him when he was running because he was just too good. They were trying to put him in the under 21s and all sorts. Even though he only did 2 races, he came 7th overall, so it's a shame he wasn't here for a couple more. Zach and Jazz, Lulu are going off. Is Isla going as well? It is Isla as well, isn't it? Are going to the national cross-country championships, which is up at Rugby this weekend. So they've got a busy time. I do have a couple of certificates. So Gareth isn't here, actually, is he? So we can do that on Monday. But I would like Mr. Ward to come out and present this to Jersey Leisure, a bronze at the British Championships, which is an incredible achievement. Jersey Leisure, please. I'd like to say again, thank you so much to all the hard work that you put in, you know, trying to make sport what it is at this place. And it is very, very successful for the numbers of pupils we have. It takes a lot of dedication from you guys, but also Mr. Ward and Miss Braunton. So please can we give everybody that was competing a massive round of applause.